and welcome. The diagram shows two concentric circles. Okay, we have the inner circle and the what? Outer circle with radii 1 centimeter and 4 centimeters. The angle AOB, which is the central angle, okay, the angle subtended at the center is pi over 3. So which means the angle is given in radians. So we are asked to find the area of the shaded region and also the perimeter of the shaded region. So in this case, now to be able to calculate the area of the shaded region, now what we can see here is a sector. Okay, so we have a larger sector and a smaller sector. So which means the area of the larger sector minus the area of the smaller sector will give us the area of the what? Will give us the area of the shaded region. So which means area of shaded region. Area of shaded region will be equals to area of larger sector minus area of smaller sector. Area of smaller sector. Now, which sector formula are we using in this case? That's area formula of sector are we using? We'll be using the area formula for sector, which is the 1/2 of r squared times the central angle. So in this case, the radius of the smaller sector is 1 centimeter, and that of the bigger sector or the larger sector is 4 centimeters. So which means area of shaded region. Area of shaded region, which is area of larger sector minus area of smaller sector, will be 1/2 of r squared times the central angle. Remember, the higher case letter r represents the radius of the what? Of the bigger or the larger sector, which is 4 centimeters. So from the center of the inner circle to its circumference is the radius of the what? Of the smaller sector. All right. So in this case, so we have this to be 1/2 of small r squared times theta. So this will be 1/2 times 4 raised to the power of 2 times pi over 3 minus 1/2 multiplied by 1 squared times pi over 3. So this will be 16. So this is 8. 8 because 16 divided by 2 is 8. So this will be 8 times pi. That will be 8 pi over 3 minus 3 times 2. That will be 6. Okay. 1 times pi. That will be 1 pi. So now let's simplify this. The LCM will be 6. So this will be 16 pi minus pi because 6 divided by 3. That's 2. 2 times 8 pi. That will be 16 pi. So this will be 15 pi over 6. Now we can also reduce this, okay, so that area of shaded region, which is what we have here as 15 pi over 6, can now be 5 over 2 pi centimeters squared. So that's the area, okay. Now we can change it to decimals. So let's change it to decimals. Now that is the value of pi, which is 3.142, multiplied by 5, okay. So this will be equals to, then when divided by 2, that will be 7.86. That will be 7.86 squared centimeters. That is the area of the shaded region. Now, the next question is for us to calculate the perimeter. All right, so the perimeter, okay, the perimeter of the shaded region. So perimeter of the shaded region. Now let's look at how to calculate the perimeter of the shaded region. This region, this arc, length of this arc plus the length of this arc. I believe we know that this is 3 centimeters. Okay, that is from the external point here of the inner circle to the circumference of the outer circle is 3 centimeters. But from the circumference of the inner circle to its center is 1 centimeter. And we know that from the center of the inner circle, okay, from the center, because we have concentric circle, to the circumference of the bigger circle is 4 centimeters. So which means we want to know what is the length of this arc and what is the length of this arc plus the radii. Okay, this side here, this is 3 centimeters and this is 3 centimeters. So this is what we have. We have what looks like this. So this is B. No, this is A. Okay, this is B. This is B. So this is shaded. This is the shaded region. This is the shaded region. This is the shaded region. So this is the small arc. Okay, this is the larger arc. Okay, the length of this side will be 3 centimeters. Then this also will be 3 centimeters. Okay, now then we want to know we need the length of this plus 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. So that means the perimeter will be equals to, that is, we have length of larger arc plus length of smaller arc plus 3 plus 3. That will be the perimeter of the shaded region. This shaded part, okay? That will be the perimeter of the shaded region. So that P will be equals to, in this case, this will be for the larger arc, the length of the arc will be r theta. Then for the smaller arc, it will be lowercase letter r times central angle plus 6. So that the perimeter will be 4 times pi over 3 plus 1 multiplied by pi over 3, then plus 6. So this will be 4 pi over 3 plus pi over 3 plus 6, which is equals to the perimeter. So this will be 5 pi over 3 plus 6. Now let's get the value of, now this is the perimeter in centimeter. Then we can also convert it to decimal. So what is 5 times 3.142? Okay. All right, so that will be 15.71 divided by 3 plus 6. So when that is divided by 3, okay, that will be, this will be equals to 5.24 plus 6. And this will be 11.24 centimeters. And this is the perimeter of the shaded region. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye.